Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to find out all the recently used apps in any Android smartphones and tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the Play Store and just search for one application name as recent app. And on the first list you'll see the application. Just click on it. Now click on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just tap on open. Now if you like to see some permission, just click on this open settings. Now scroll down below. Now just enable this recent app option. Just move back. Now here you can see all the recently used apps on my respective Android smartphones. So you can see all the apps and apps name and below remaining apps, so which I have not used recently now. So these are the recently used apps as you can see. If you want to change the layout, then you can just click on this grid mode. Now you can see the list mode. If you click on it again, then it will show you in the grid mode. And even you can search the apps by clicking on the search box. And if you click on this app settings icon, you will see here some options where you can do some customization. So you can check out by yourself all the settings options. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily find out all the recently used apps in any Android smartphones and tablets very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button. And if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.